The U.S. Navy is embarking on a critical mission, finding a replacement for the aging Seahawk helicopters, a movie set to revolutionize its aerial capabilities. By the 2030, the Navy's current Seahawk fleet, introduced in 1984 and based on the Army's Black Hawk, includes the MH-60R and MH-60S models, both integral to various naval operations. The MH-60R specializes in anti-submarine warfare, equipped with advanced sonar radar torpedoes and missiles. On the other hand, the MH-60S supports a wide array of missions from anti-surface warfare to humanitarian aid, and serves as a crucial asset for Navy SEALs. In tandem with replacing the Seahawks, the Navy aims to phase out the MQ-8 Fire Scout, an uncrewed helicopter vital for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. The new aircraft will draw inspiration from the Army's Future Vertical Lift FVL program, particularly the Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft FLRA initiative. The Navy's next-generation helicopters are expected to feature advanced technologies like tiltrotors or push propellers, promising faster speeds and greater range. Two main contenders are vying to lead this transformation: the Bell V-280 Valor and the Sikorsky-Boeing Defiant X. The V-280 Valor, akin to the V-22 Osprey, features engine rotors that tilt, enhancing its versatility and speed. The Defiant X, while maintaining a more conventional helicopter appearance, boasts innovative coaxial main rotors and a tail-push rotor for superior performance. Both aircraft promise to double the speed and range of the current Seahawk helicopters, enabling quicker responses to potential threats, extended search capabilities, and enhanced safety for naval vessels. These advanced helicopters will operate from nearly all Navy warships, excluding submarines, marking a significant leap in naval aviation. As the 2030 approach, the Navy's pursuit of these cutting-edge helicopters underscores its commitment to maintaining naval superiority and meeting the evolving demands of modern warfare. Stay tuned as this high-stakes journey unfolds, setting the stage for the future of naval aviation.